how do you get web development experience when you're just starting out? The biggest challenge when applying for junior front-end developer jobs is that the hiring manager or the recruiter always asks for experience. But how do you get experience if no one's willing to give you a chance? Now, this isn't just your imagination. Business Insider reported that 94% of employers hiring for entry-level tech jobs still expect some prior experience. Now, you've been grinding learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and maybe even React. You're building projects, and then you see a junior front-end development job asking for 2 to 3 years of experience. It genuinely just feels impossible. It's almost like you're even just locked out of the industry before you've even started. Now, this isn't just frustrating, it's actually systematic. Now, according to the Business Insider, the number of jobs labeled entry level fell by nearly 7% in just 2 years. And the US Bureau of Labor Statistics found that in 2022, the average job required 1,021 days of prior work experience. That's almost 3 years for roles that claim to be for beginners. Absolutely ridiculous. So the question everyone wants to know is, how do you break the cycle? You certainly don't wait for someone to hand you experience, you create it. Take, for example, Zachary Holliker, one of our students from the States.
Yeah, so I went on Google and I was looking up different med spas and doctors because I want the medical niche, I'm working in that area.
Mm-hmm.
I spotted the doctor's website. I reached out to her through her website, and I offered her a free phone call where we could talk about her website and what I could do for her. So she called me up and told me, she had actually just fired her web designer for overcharging. So I took advantage of that and gave her a number I thought would be more pleasing for her, and said, I can do this, and we can go over some concept designs together and go from there. And she was
Nice.
very happy about that.
Well, you wouldn't be a junior if you had those many years of experience, but you actually do have experience, whether it's freelancing or project experience or something else. So here's your roadmap. Number 1, pick a niche, whether it's dentists, tradespeople, or just local shops. Number 2, scout with Google Maps. Find businesses with poor or just no websites at all. At number 3, reach out. Offer to modernize their site, possibly even for free at first, just to get the ball rolling. And finally, publish it. The live site becomes a case study that you can eventually point to. Each project is proof you can solve real problems. And that's far more valuable to a recruiter or a hiring manager from you just saying, oh yeah, I know JavaScript, I know React, I know Next.js. You actually have proof that you do know that, you've built it, and you've been paid for it professionally. Now, here's exactly why that matters so much. Coursera reports that nearly 38% of jobs of entry-level job postings demand 3+ years of experience. And a survey by Indeed found that more than 1 in 4 job seekers said lack of prior experience kept them from landing roles. But there's the opportunity. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that between 2023 and 2033, there's going to be 8% job growth for the web developer, faster than the average of all other jobs. So if we're talking about job security, if we're talking about the future, this is kind of locking you in with all the predictors, with all the statistics that we have available. And in Europe, we know that it is growing month on month, and it has stalled for a while in the States, but it is starting to pick up as of this year. And although you might see layoffs in the news, behind the scenes, there's a lot going on, and you're just starting to see it pick up. And that's why it is this predictor till 2033. Because people still need websites, people still need apps, people still need all that stuff, and they need a professional to be able to guide them through it. And if you're serious about building your portfolio fast, getting your resume ready to apply for jobs, or even having the skills to do web development up to a professional standard to be able to get a job, don't do it alone. Book a call with our team, and we'll work with you to build your first projects and create a portfolio that actually gets you hired. The link is in the description. But that essentially is how to get web development experience when you don't have any.